Welcome again to the Regional Integration Knowledge System website, the data platform of RIKS. This is the second video in which I explain how to use the RIKS system. Specifically, this time I will show you how to use the search by interactive map feature. From the home page, you can go to the specific feature of the website by clicking the search by interactive map link, or anywhere else on the website you can click on the search by button and then select here the interactive map. How to use this feature is simply by using this search form to start typing in the name of a specific organization, and once we have entered 3 letters at least, you see this drop-down menu appearing in which those 3 letters, listing all of the agreements in which those 3 letters, or 4 letters in this case, appear. So we can use that, or we can enter the acronym of the organization, and that will also give us the right agreement. So in this case, we're interested in the Organization of African Unity. And you see its membership here appear at the start of the agreement, and if you click on the play timeline button, you can see how that membership evolves over time. Of course, in 2002, Organization of African Unity ceases to exist, so all membership drops away, but you can also click on this timeline to go back to specific periods showing the membership then. If you click on this little arrow next to the organization's name, you can get a link to the organization treaty as well as a link to the organization's detail page, which I explained in the first video. And you can deselect the organization by clicking on the red cross and then look up the organization details of another organization. That concludes this second video. In the last video, I'll explain to you how to look up indicators of integration for either specific organizations or a custom group of countries.